Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope are you all fine? Good. So, students, let's start today class. In today class, we discuss our new chapter of geography. So, first of all, you have to observe these particular pictures and tell me what comes in your mind. Yes, students. First of all, you have to observe these pictures and tell me what comes in your mind. So, as you can see, this particular pictures depict our Earth. Okay, yes or no? Yes, very good. So basically, this pictures that depict our Earth, and you can see that uh, structure of our Earth. Okay, so this is all about these pictures. Okay, student. So one question for you, like what is the Earth? अगर मैं आपको कहूँ डिफाइन करने डिफाइन इन ऑन वर्ड्स यस स्टूडेंट्स व्हाट इज अर्थ जो अर्थ है हमारा वो है क्या yes students we can say that earth is the third planet from the sun and the only astronomical object known the harbor life तो planet के बारे में जैसे हमने पढ़ा था सोलर सिस्टम में तो ये हमारा थर्ड आता है जो planets के फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो हेड होता है वो कौन होता है सन होता है ठीक है इसके बाद इसका थर्ड नंबर आता है जो अर्थ का तो अर्थ इज अ थर्ड planet from the sun as well as we can say that कि जो अर्थ पे वो जो ऑब्जेक्ट नॉन टू हार्बर लाइफ while large वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ वाटर कैन बी फाउंड जो आप देख सकते हो जितना ये वाइट पोर्शन दिख रहा है ये हमारा वाटर से ठीक है जितना भी है ये वाइट पोर्शन ये हमारा वाटर से कवर्ड है दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन से throughout the while large volumes of water on found the throughout the solar system only earth sustain liquid surface water about 71% ठीक है 71% of earth surface made up of the ocean drawing earth pole rise ice lakes and rivers तो इनसे बना हुआ है और कुछ ही परसेंट जो है ये धरातल है we can say that land is available okay students so now we can move forward next topic so in this first module we discuss about some domains of the earth okay student so first of all origin of in the Greek language तो क्या उसे origin हुआ है you can make this full sentence so that litho means stone जो litho है तो उसका means क्या होता है stone अगर हम इसको पूरा पढ़ते तो क्या बोलते हैं lithosphere yes तो litho जो word है उसका मीनिंग है जो हम कह सकते हैं कि stone ठीक है lithosphere okay students very good and then atmos means vapor so it means atmosphere and then hydro means water hydrosphere and bio means life that known as biosphere so इसके जो हमने बनाई दी है can you make words using the above yes very good so this we can say make that one word litho means lithosphere and that means it's stone and then atmos means atmosphere that means vapor and pudor means water that means hydrospheres this is related to hydrosphere and biosphere so all these domains of earth so yes students you have to good observation and good so in first module we discuss about domains of the particular earth okay so now major domains of the earth so we can discuss first thing is earth is a unique planet in the sense that it has a life supporting क्योंकि यहाँ life support कर रहा है we all know that earth contain availability of water vegetation forest land so all these fresh air so this planet known as a life planet we can say the life supported here okay and system on it which helps in the growth and development of life and then second thing is the life supporting system are part of lithosphere atmosphere hydrosphere and biosphere तो ये यहाँ जो हमारा कैसे अर्थ है उसको भी बांट दिया गया है जो जहाँ हमारा लाइफ सपोर्ट करता है लिथोस्फीयर जहाँ स्टोन्स या फिर जो सैंड या फिर कैसे जो लैंड से रिलेटेड है एटमॉस्फेयर जहाँ जो हम कह सकते हैं ऊपर वाला भाग जहाँ से हमें डिफरेंट गैसेस मिलते हैं या फिर कह सकते हैं जो सर्वाइव के लिए एंड देन हाइड्रोस्फीयर जहाँ हम कह सकते हैं कि जो एक वाटर जो बॉडीज है जो हमारा तो उससे भी हम रिलेटेड है अपने ह्यूमन लाइफ ठीक है वाटर बॉडीज ठीक है. एंड देन फोर्थ थिंग इज लाइक बायोस्फीयर, जहाँ की सभी जीव जंतु भी रहते हैं, हम कह सकते हैं जो इको साइकिल है हमारा, वो इससे रिलेटेड है. सो एंड देन थर्ड थिंग इज लाइक लिथोस्फीयर इज द solid inorganic like portion of the earth, and we can also say that like which comprise rock, like rocks and minerals materials, as well as the gases involved surroundings the earth with a gravitational force is known as atmosphere. The gases were involved surrounding of the earth with the gravitational force is known as atmosphere. Okay, students. And then like next thing is the like a sphere which is like covered with the water is called like hydrosphere. Okay, students. And then like last thing is like we can say like biosphere is the sum total of all the three sphere like land, water, and air. So we can know that like lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. Okay, students, this thing clear now? This concept, like major domains of the particular Earth, our Earth. Okay. Yes, very good. So we can move further. Yes, students. Now you have to like first of all we discuss one by one like major domains of the Earth. First of all, like lithosphere, and then like hydrosphere, and then you can say the atmosphere, and then like second center one is like biosphere. So first of all, we discuss about lithospheres. So like means as we previous discussed, like that means like related to stone, our soil, our land. So basically like lithosphere, like all process associated with solid earth. Okay, जो हमारा solid part है earth का, उससे ये related है. And then we discuss about like hydrospheres. So like all process associated with water. So जो है ये water से हमारा पूरा connected. That's okay, students. And then like we can say that atmosphere. So like all processes like associated with the gases that evolve, like evolve. Okay, जो हमारे gases हैं, ये जो मिश्रण है हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर का जो वातावरण, वो इससे रिलेटेड है. एंड देन फोर्थ थिंग इज लाइक बायोस्फीयर, टू ऑल प्रोसेस दैट इन्वॉल्व लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, जितने भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म रहते हैं तो उनसे ये रिलेटेड है. सो दिस थिंग क्लियर नाउ? यस स्टूडेंट्स, वेरी गुड. सो this is all about like major domains of like thing like different types like atmosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere. So all these fours. Okay. So now students like you have to list them all the like picture related to the domains of the earth. आपको ये बताना है जितने भी यहाँ पिक्चर्स लगे हुए हैं वो कौन से डोमेन से ये रिलेट करते हैं. Yes, the first picture is depicted like what? Yes, yes, students. Very good. The first picture is depicted like atmosphere. Very good. You have to like write this also. Yes, very good, student. Very good. Atmosphere. And then like second picture is depicted like water bodies. So what known as? Yes, very good. That known as like hydrosphere. Very good, students. You have to write also. Hydrosphere. And then like four things. What depicted this? Yes. Yes, very good, student. That known as like lithosphere, the solid part of our earth. Lithosphere, you have to write also. Yes, very good. And then fourth thing is like fourth picture depicted like last one is biosphere. Yes, very good. So this picture depict biosphere. So all living organism comes under biosphere. Very good, students. So this is all about like major domains of our particular earth. Okay, students. So now we have to some questions like fill-ups. So first question is like the dash is narrow like contact zone of land, water, and air that supports our life. Yes, student. So what do you think? Yes. So biosphere. Yes, very good. So biosphere is a narrow contact zone of like land, water, and then all the supports life. Okay. Very good. And then like second thing is the sphere which covered with water is called hydrosphere. Very good, student. Very good. Hydrosphere. Yes, very good student. So you have to correct. So now, like you have to observe these pictures, and tell me what comes in your mind, or what we will study in next slide, next module. Yes, like you can see, first picture the big house, and then second pictures like land, then agriculture, then schools. So like all these related to our like environment, or like you can say that we are like lithosphere. Okay, we can say that like our upper surface of that lithosphere. Yes, very good. So like in this module, good observation students, very good. So like in this particular module we discuss about like what like lithosphere, about like lithosphere. So let's go through. uh, so first of all, like first thing is the solid portion of the earth is called the lithosphere. ठीक है, जहाँ हम रहते हैं. And then like second thing is like it comprises the rock of the earth crust and the thin layer of soil that contain nutrient elements which like sustain organism. Okay students. And then like third thing is there are two main like division of the earth surface. The first thing is like the large land masses are known as the continents. तो उनको दो भागों में बांटा गया. तो पहला जो लार्ज लैंड कॉन्टिनेंट्स के हिसाब से, एंड द ह्यूज वाटर बॉडीज, द bodies are called as the ocean basins. So ocean basins, तो आपको ये याद रखना. The large land masses are known as the continents and the huge water bodies are called the ocean basin. तो ये दो डिवीजन में अर्थ को सरफेस को बांटा गया है. And then fourth thing is like all the oceans of the world are connected with one and another. तो all the oceans हैं वो world are connected एक दूसरे से हैं. The level of sea water remains the same everywhere. तो sea water का जो लेवल है वो इसीलिए जो हमारा बराबर रहता है हर जगह का. And elevation of land is measured from the level of the sea. The elevation of the land है वो level of the sea से मापा जाता है, and the which is the taken as a zero. Okay students. So now move further to next topic. So now some fact from like our mountains which situated on lithosphere. So first of all, like we discuss about highest mountain peak that known as like Mount Everest. It is like height like above 8,840 meters above the sea level. Okay, and the greatest depth of the, क्योंकि जो गहराई की बात करें like की दो 11,000 like 22 meters is recorded at a Marina Trench in the like Pacific Ocean. So like this is all about fact of what our this particular concept. So now students like different landforms like over there in lithosphere. We can say that like volcano eruptions also we can observe, and then hills, and then icelands, then canyon, and then desert, oceans, rivers, jungles, plain, waterfall, like marshes, mountains. So like all these like observed in our first domains of the earth that known as like lithosphere. Yes student, this thing clear now? So like this is all about like our lithosphere. This is a major concept of our particular earth. So now you have to like answer this question. Question is like you have to read which is the like earth consisting of a solid like portion. Which earth consisting of a solid portion? So the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, the lithosphere. So which one is correct answer? Consisting of solid portion. आपको ये याद रखना है जो solid form के रूप में विद्यमान है हमारे domains of the earth में. आप जैसे हमने अभी पढ़ा है. Yes students, you have to like answer this particular question. Which one is correct? Yes, very good. So correct answer is the lithosphere. The lithosphere is the earth consisting of a solid portion. Okay, clear now? Very good. So like we can move forward. So like you have to observe this like particular pictures and tell me like what comes in your mind. Yes students, like you have to observe the world map. Okay, So like all these like different continents over there. Like we can see North America, South America, as well as like we can see Asia continents, and then Australia, Europe. So all these like continents over there, and then like so and also mention oceans also, like Pacific Oceans. So all this Indian Ocean. So yes. So all these that. So yes, good observation, students. So now in next module we discuss about like can say that continents. What is continents? So basically like हम बात करें, so there are 7 major continents separated by large water bodies. These continents are like Asia. You can 7 major कौन से हैं, like Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So we can say that like there are 7 major continents separated by large like water bodies जो हमारा उसका तो कौन से हैं, जैसे कि first one lies Asia, the largest continent of all over the world. Okay, and then Europe, Africa, North America, South America, and Australia and Antarctica. So and second thing is like Asia is the largest continent. It covers about like, तो जो आपको ये याद रखना, जो एशिया इज द लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट एंड इट कवर्स अबाउट द 1/3 ऑफ द टोटल लैंड एरिया ऑफ द अर्थ. तो 1/3 जो अगर हम थर्ड डिवाइड में बांटते भी हैं, तो उसका जो 1 पार्ट है वो पूरा किसके द्वारा किया गया है, वो एशिया के द्वारा कवर किया गया है. एशिया जो कॉन्टिनेंट है उसका स्प्रेडनेस है. ठीक है. एंड देन थर्ड थिंग इज लाइक वी कैन से दैट एशिया इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम यूरोप बाय द लाइक यूआरएल द mountains in the west. Okay, students. And the like we can say that the like combined landmass of the Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. Okay, so like Asia is separated from Europe by the Europe. The combined landmass of the Europe and Asia is called Eurasia. उसको क्या बोलते हैं, यूरेशिया. ठीक है. तो एक combined जो हमारा land mass है उसके बारे में. So like this is all about like continents, or basically like there are 7. So basically first one is Europe, sorry, first one Asia, second one like Europe, third one Africa, fourth one like North America, fifth one South America, sixth one like Australia, and seventh one like Antarctica. Okay, student, this thing clear now? Yes, very good, student. So now we have to like move further. So like you can say also say that like जैसे अगर हम बात करें अफ्रीका, like Africa is the second largest continent after Asia, and a large part of the Africa lies in the northern hemisphere, and the like Sahara Desert, the world largest hot desert, located in Africa. तो आपको याद रखना है. And the continent is like bound on all sides by oceans and seas, as well as like we can say also the North America is the third largest continent of the world, as well as like it is the link to South America by a very narrow strip of land called the stumps of the Panama, and the like continents like completely in the like northern western hemisphere. Okay, students. And then like we can say also the third thing is like South America is lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. The Andes, the like world longest mountains range, and the run like through its length from north to south. And the South America has the world largest river, the Amazon. Okay, students. So this thing all about like all different like continents, Africa, North America, and South America. So students, what do you think, like is all the land mass connected to each other? If yes, then justify your answer. Yes, student. You have to like answer this. So like we can say that like the world like Pangea means the all land, this like describes the all the way all the continents we like were joined up together. The Pangea, this happens in our Pangea excited like 240 million years ago. Okay, so like and about 200 millions years ago it's begun to break apart. Over millions of years these places like came to be the continents as we know them today. Okay, student. So like so we can say that yes, so is all the landmasses are connected to each other. Okay, so like this is some question for you. First question is like you can say you submit a response like which is the largest continent. So this is very easy questions. So like very good, students. Asia is the largest continent. And then second question is which longest rivers flows through Africa. So which one is? Can we name them? Yes, yes. So like option is the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Nile, none of these. Yes, very good. Third is correct answer, the Nile. Very good. Nile is the longest river, flows through Africa. Very good, students. Now, recapitulation, like in this particular uh, class, we discuss like major domains of the earth, and as well as like continents. So all these and then we'll discuss about lithospheres and separately all these components, okay, and topics. So like we can say that कि जो अगर हम some question for you, like which one part of domains of earth is known as a very like hard surface. Yes, student, you have to uh, solve these puzzles. You have to circle these names. Yes, very good. This name is like lithosphere. First one is the hard surface of what domains of the earth. Yes, very good, students. And you have to जो हमारा कह सकते हैं कि जो वो है, कह सकते हैं कि जो सबसे जो लंबा हमारा कह सकते हैं सबसे बड़ा जो हमारा कॉन्टिनेंट है वो कौन सा है? यस, वेरी गुड, एशिया। जो एशिया है जो वो हमारा सबसे लंबा कॉन्टिनेंट है, ओके। एंड विच लाइक नाइल रिवर रिलेटेड टू विच कॉन्टिनेंट? you have to like circle these continents name. Yes, very good, Africa. Nile is related to Africa. Very good, students. So this is all about today topic. So this is homework for you, students. You have to solve this homework. So first one is like write a short note on a lithosphere. You can write in your own words. And second is like collect pictures of expeditions to the Himalayas. Write about the kind of equipments carried by the climbers for the protection against sunshine, temperature, and the lack of air. Okay, students. So this is all about from my sides. So thank you so much, students.